samadatuhu samagnischa samadoshaha malakriyaha prasannatma indriya manaha swastha ithya vidiyate. You get up in the morning and you shit well, you piss well, you eat well, you drink well, you work very hard. This doctor is so powerful that he can correct any disease from common cold to cancer only if you keep your mind clear. All things in this world have very simple solutions. We complicate it. Anything, any very complicated problem has a very simple solution. But if you ask a specialist for a solution, he will complicate the solution problem further. I am going to tell you whether you and I are born to last as long as you and I can survive on this world. Is that clear? Has anybody not understood what I said? Right. Now, do you think human body is made because there are doctors, there are medical colleges, there are tests, there are operations, there are surgeons like my friend here and things like that? No. We are made to be on our own and we are born with the doctor inside. This is the most important thing. And this doctor is so powerful that he can correct any disease from common cold to cancer only if you keep your mind clear. And ayurveda so beautifully says it. Samadatuhu samagnischa samadoshaha malakriyaha prasannatma indriya manaha swastha ithya vidiyate. You get up in the morning and you shit well, you piss well, you eat well, you drink well, you work very hard, sleep very well, and then don't hate nobody. You will live as long as you live. I will give you an Irish couplet which so beautifully says it. I eat when I am hungry. You know the problem with most of us is we eat when the food is ready and not when we are hungry. And we eat because Dr. Peter forces us to eat more, we eat more. But what does Irish say? Eat when you are hungry. Drink when you are thirsty. If heavens don't fall down, you will certainly live till you die. Okay? Now, can you try all these methods, including Noni, and be here forever without dying? No. Bernard Shaw beautifully wrote, never try to be here forever. You will certainly not succeed. You understand? Just imagine, all people born don't die. There will not be space even to stand. So, death and birth are two things which are not in our control. Did you understand that? And you must remember one thing. When we came here, we came with nothing, not even an underwear. And when we go from here, we go with nothing. But in between, we do so much of monkeying that we invite all diseases. T.H. Lawrence wrote so beautifully, our ingress into this world was naked and bare. Did you understand that? Our progress in this world is trouble but care. Whenever you get into trouble, you say, why me? Peter is not, see, yesterday, for example, I was talking to a friend. He's a good friend. And he is a terrible egoist. He thinks he is the best person under the sun. He is qualified to do everything. But poor man has some problem with the legs. He is about 80, but he can't walk. He needs two people to help him. So I was telling him, then he said, where were you yesterday? I told him I was in Ahmedabad giving some lecture. And what are you doing tomorrow? You come home? I said, I'm going to see Peter in Chennai. What, man? Yesterday you were in Ahmedabad, tomorrow you are in Chennai. But you are lucky because God has given you good health. Look at me, I can't walk. That is the bad attitude. Two, he is jealous of me that I am coming to Chennai. And he is unfortunately depressed about his legs not being there. I told him, look, have you heard of, how many of you have heard of Steve Hawking? Steve Hawking, yes, thank you. Steve Hawking is the professor of theoretical physics in Cambridge. This man had a peculiar disease when he was just 24 years old. How old he was? 24. This disease even my enemy should not have. It is called amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. Gradually, one by one, his muscles will become useless.